To fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile, start by ensuring your Bluetooth headphones are properly connected to your mobile device. Go to your device's settings and verify that Bluetooth is enabled and your headphones are paired and connected. Next, open the Discord Mobile app and navigate to the app's settings by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and then tapping the gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Voice and Video section and ensure that the correct input and output devices are selected. If your headphones are not listed as an option, try restarting the Discord app or your mobile device. If the issue persists, try resetting your Bluetooth headphones by putting them in pairing mode and then removing them from your device's paired devices list. Then, restart your device and pair the headphones again. Additionally, check for any available updates for the Discord app and your device's operating system, as outdated software may cause compatibility issues. Also, ensure that your headphones are not connected to any other devices, as this can cause conflicts with the Discord app. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Discord app, or resetting your device's Bluetooth settings to their default values. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile.